In this video, we will demonstrate how to add or edit attendant using the keypad on mircom intercom. On the welcome screen, press 9999 and dial key. On the main page, select configuration. Enter 3333 for the passcode. Dial button. Then select to database. Dial button. To add attendant, select 1, add record. Enter the apartment number. You can leave it as default. You can also leave this as default also. Leave it as default, same thing. And then for the resident name, you can enter whatever you want, such as 3C. Dial button. You can leave this desk as default. Then enter the telephone number. Press the dial button. Then you can leave everything else by default. Now you see new resident record added. To edit attendant in the intercom, select to edit record. Then look for the desired attendant. In this case, I will select 1B MP. Enter the dial code, the dial button. In the following option, select to change resident's name. Then press the dial button again to save the change. And then go down to 8 to change the telephone number. And then press then enter the new telephone number. Then press the dial key to save the change. After you finish, keep pressing the I key to exit. In this video, we demonstrate how to add or edit attendant using the keypad on the mircom intercom.